What makes a bourbon worth the price? Is it the flavor, the history, or the way it feels in the glass? Today we are taking a closer look at one of the most recognizable names in American bourbon, Woodford Reserve. But here's the real question: is Woodford Reserve actually worth the hype? Let's find out. Woodford Reserve is the kind of bourbon that needs little introduction. It's well known among bourbon lovers, and it's also a people choice for people who are just starting to explore American whiskey. One thing that stands out right away is the bottle. It looks classic, premium, and traditional, which fits the character of the whiskey inside. But the real taste starts when the bourbon hits the glass, pouring it into a glass. The color is a rich amber. Give it a little time and then bring the glass to your nose. The first things you may notice are vanilla, caramel, and toasted oak. There's also a hint of sweet spice that gives it a little more character. Now take a small sip. The first impression is rich and smooth. You get sweet caramel, vanilla, smoke, and a hit of breaking spices. It's not the kind of bourbon that tries to overpower you. Instead, the flavors build up casually, and that makes it interesting. If you're new to bourbon, this is a style that can be easy to appreciate. And if you're already a whiskey fan, there's enough complexity here to keep the pour interesting. Now let's talk about the finish. The finish is warm with oak, spice, and a little sweetness staying behind. It does not disappear immediately, but it also does not feel too heavy, and that makes Woodford Reserve a very flexible bourbon. You can drink it neat, you can add a little water, or you can pour it over ice. And if you love classic cocktails, Woodford Reserve works very well in drinks like an old fashioned. But is it worth buying? Well, that depends on what you're looking for. If you want a super expensive, extremely beer bourbon, this is probably not the point. But if you want a reliable classic American bourbon that you can sip, share, or use in a cocktail, then Woodford Reserve makes a lot of sense. And here's something I really like about it. It does not feel like a bourbon that is trying to prove something. It just gives you the flavor, the aroma, the oak, the spice, and lets you enjoy the drink. So, after all that, what's the verdict? Woodford Reserve is a classic, balanced, and approachable bourbon. It may not be the most extreme bourbon you ever try, but that might actually be its biggest strength. It's the kind of bottle that can fit into a lot of different moments. A quiet night, a dinner with friends, or a classic cocktail and the end of a long day. So, Woodford Reserve worth the hype? I'd say it's definitely a bourbon worth trying. But now I want to know, have you ever tried Woodford Reserve? And if you have, what do you think? Worth the hype or overrated? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoy this review, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more whiskey reviews. Until next time, cheers and drink responsibly. Thank you.